Kotlin for Android. The future is here! Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're diving deep into the world of Android app development with a language that's been making waves. Kotlin. In this video, we'll explore why Kotlin has become the preferred language for modern Android app development. We're talking about its concise syntax, the way it handles null safety, and how smoothly it works with Java. Stick around, it's going to be good. Alright, let's break down Kotlin. At its core, it's a statically typed programming language developed by JetBrains, the masterminds behind IntelliJ IDEA. One of the first things you'll notice about Kotlin is its concise syntax. It cuts out a lot of the verbosity you see in Java, making your code cleaner and more readable. Kotlin practically eliminates the dreaded null pointer exception, a common headache in Java development. And here's the best part. Kotlin is 100% interoperable with Java. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why fix what ain't broken? Java's been the go-to for Android for years. But Kotlin takes the foundation that Java built and supercharges it with modern features. Think of it as Java's cooler, more efficient younger sibling. Kotlin throws out all that boilerplate code Java is infamous for. We're talking data classes, extension functions, and coroutines. All these features simplify your code and reduce the amount of time you spend on repetitive tasks. Kotlin's null safety features alone drastically reduce the likelihood of crashes and bugs. Chapter 3, Kotlin versus Flutter native power or cross-platform flexibility. Okay, so we've established that Kotlin is a serious contender in the Android world. But what about cross-platform frameworks like Flutter? Flutter lets you build apps for multiple platforms from a single code base. It's tempting, right? Write once, run everywhere. Kotlin compiles directly to Java bytecode. It runs natively on Android. That means your apps can take full advantage of the platform's capabilities and deliver a truly native look and feel. Now, Kotlin does have a multi-platform framework, Kotlin Multi-Platform Mobile, or KMM, that lets you share code across platforms, including iOS. KMM focuses on sharing business logic and data layers while still allowing you to create platform-specific UIs for a truly native experience on each platform. Chapter 4. The benefits of Kotlin productivity, safety, and seamless integration. Let's talk about the real-world benefits of choosing Kotlin. Kotlin's concise syntax and powerful features mean you can write more code in less time, freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects of app development. Kotlin's emphasis on code safety helps you catch potential errors early on, reducing the risk of crashes and bugs down the line. And when you factor in Kotlin's seamless interoperability with Java, migrating existing projects or integrating with Java libraries becomes a breeze. You can gradually introduce Kotlin into your codebase, taking advantage of its modern features without having to rewrite everything from scratch. It's all about flexibility and making your life as a developer easier. Chapter 5. Kotlin in Action Real-World Success Stories. Big names in the tech world have already embraced Kotlin for their Android apps. Pinterest, for example, made the switch to Kotlin and saw significant improvements in their developer productivity and app performance. Trello, the popular project management app, also adopted Kotlin, praising its conciseness and safety features. These are just a few examples of how Kotlin is being used to build some of the most popular and robust Android apps out there. So there you have it, a closer look at why Kotlin is becoming the go-to language for Android developers. From its concise syntax and null safety to its seamless Java interoperability and real-world success stories, Kotlin is shaping the future of Android development. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. We're always diving into the latest and greatest in the tech world, and we love having you along for the ride. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time,